Yeah, hi all. So today we are going to see there is one array is given, like we are going to learn. So from this array, we need to find out the largest number in the array. So by looking at the numbers, if you look at the 78 is the largest value. So we need to write the code in such a way that to find out the largest number in the given array. So for that, what we are trying to do, so we need to compare this array, like, so these are all the values we need to compare. Then we need to find out. So first thing what you will do, you will compare this value with this. So each time you are trying to compare the value. Okay, let's take this. So each time first you will compare this your value a of 0 with a of 1. So initially I'm assuming that a of 0 is the maximum number. Okay, I'm thinking this is the maximum value. A of 0 I'm taking it as maximum value. Then I will compare a of 0 with this a of 1. If a of 1, like this value is greater than, like we will check for a of 1 value is greater than of a of 0, then this we will take this a of 1 into and we will store it into the max. Okay, we are taking one variable called max here. Okay, first initially what we are thinking, what we are assuming here initially maximum equal to the max equal to a of 0. So initially I am thinking, so the first value a of 0 is the maximum. Okay, this is the thing I'm assuming it. So what is the condition I'm applying here? If a of I, the given value, a of I. So we are comparing the values here. A of I means anything like a of 1, either it is a of 1, a of 2, a of 3, or a of 4, a of 5, or a of 6. Any value, if it is greater than, okay, it is greater than of, it is greater than of max. So you are thinking a of 0 is a max one. So I am just applying, if a of I is greater than of max, then what you need to do, just you are writing maximum equal to a of I. Okay, let's print this, then you will get the value here. So what is the condition you are applying here? You are checking, initially you are thinking that a of 0 is the highest value. Okay, and you are taking this value and you are comparing with all the values, like you are comparing with all the values. This one a of 0 is comparing with a of 3. Again, this is comparing with this one. Again, it is compared with this one. Again, it is compared with this one. So every time this condition, like if condition is validated, we will check for it. Every time we will check for this if condition. If the condition is true and we are replacing the maximum value. Okay, this is how we are going to write, and we will use one for loop here. So repetitively we need to check, right, the condition. That's the reason we are using the loop. Okay, why you are using the loop means repetitively you are performing the same operation. Okay, int I equal to 0. So initially what we will do for the for loop, we'll just write the initialization, then we'll check for the condition a dot length. Okay, I less than of a dot length, then increment the I value. So this is a for loop. So after the designing the for loop, we need to put one condition. So we'll create one variable here, int of max. Okay, a of I, sorry, a of 0. So the initial value, I'm taking this 25 a of 0 into this. Okay, I'm assigning this value. Now I will just check the condition, like every time I will compare with a of I. So max. Now what you need to do, maximum equal to a of I. The condition is true, this will be done. Okay. Once you find out the maximum value, just to print that. Okay. Standard. dot. Okay. So maximum value are just value in the array. Just value in the array is max. The variable max is the highest value. How you are calculating this? Just comparing this value. You are initially thinking that a of 0 is the highest value, and every time you are comparing with this. Okay. So whichever the value is greater than a of 0, that you are replacing, that you are converting and replacing with the maximum value. Okay. By end of the condition, like by end of the loop, you will try to find out like, so each time whenever the condition is true, the value is replacing. So initially what happened here? So a of 0, I value is 0. A value will be 0 here. A of 0 is greater than of max. So a of 0, how much it is here? 25. And what is the max contains? 25. 25 greater than 25. So condition become false. So value will not be replaced. Again, this condition will be executed. Then after that value will be incremented I plus plus. So I value becomes 1. A of y greater than of max. You will check. The 11 is not greater than of 25. Then again the condition is false. So it won't replace the value. Now it will check for this, and here also in the third case also it is false. In the fourth case it will be true. A of a of 3 is greater than of max. It will check for a of 0. So this one would be 25 and this one would be 75. 75 is greater than 25. Then the value will be replaced here. Okay. So if you want to see the first value, which the replacing value, that would be 75. Next, it will replace with the 78. So finally, the value consists of max would be 78. You can see that comparisons. If you want to see that comparisons also, we can put one SOP here, so that you will get to know that. Okay, now we need to find out the largest value, right? That largest value is calculated. If you try to execute this program, we'll see the largest value. Okay? Just run this code. Let's see. Okay. So the largest value is 78 in the map. Okay, now what I will do, I'll just take this. Okay, I'll put this here. Yes, maximum value is repeating, right? Just you can put it into if condition. Okay, you can see it will print initially 75 and 78. This condition is valid uh, 3 times. So 25 greater than 25, how many values are there? You can check. Okay, you can see the execution part, you can see here. Okay, only 2 times it is checking. Okay, see. So that's all for today. And we'll see one more program. So this is a given array, right? Okay. So I have one more requirement here. Let's find out the summation of the numbers given in the array length. Okay. So I wanted to add all these numbers, like all these element I wanted to add, and I want to print the sum of the values, like the sum of the elements present in the array. Okay. So for that, what you need to do, just remove this. You need to write this condition as well. You just remove this all these things. So we'll take the for loop. One for loop we will write. Okay. Int of sum to find out the summation of all the values, right? Just write 0. Okay. Sum equal to sum plus A of I. So each value will be added to the sum. Okay, finally, after calculating the sum, I will just print, okay. So I will just print the sum. Sum equal to sum of the elements present in the array. Okay, these are all will be added and printed in the console. Can just save this program and run this. Okay, just run this. Okay, sum is 297. So all the values will be added and printed on the console. Okay, this is how you are going to calculate the sum of the elements given in the array. Okay, yeah, that's all for today. Yeah, thank you all.